Hi everyone, welcome to Playwright tutorial. Today in this tutorial, I will show you how to use a Playwright CRX extension that helps you generate code automatically while performing actions in the browser. So let's begin. Open Chrome browser, first add extension, search Playwright CRX extension and click on Playwright CRX Chrome Web Store. After clicking on this link, you need to add this extension, and here you can view overview. Playwright is a Chrome extension. You can record using Playwright Record directly on your browser. Add this extension, click on Add to Chrome and then click on Add extension. After adding this extension, we need to restart the browser for reflecting changes. First, add this extension. Extension has been added successfully. Playwright extension added. Now close the browser and again open the browser and then open this URL, demo.com. Open this URL and this is the login page. Here we need to enter username, password and then click on login button. This is the credentials, standard underscore username, and this is the password. We'll perform actions by using Playwright CRX extension, and here you can view, we can record, and here option available for pick locator. Suppose you want to pick the locator for username, so you can click on pick locator. Now this is assert text assertion. Now enter username. Here first we need to enter username. Enter username here, standard underscore user. As you can view here, await page dot locator dot fill for enter username and then enter password. Enter password here. After enter password, we need to click on login. So click on login and here you can view this page is open products. We can validate this add to cart button should be displayed after login. So here we can use assert. Click on assert text and then click on add to cart. And here click on this one. Now here assertion error has been added successfully. Await expect page dot locator and this button contains text add to cart. We can copy this text and here option available. You can copy this text and here resume pause. You can click on pause or F8. In the test runner, you can view here multiple languages, Java, Python. You can change here JUnit. So you can view this code in Java and here click on test runner. And other option available, color mode. You can change here color mode. Now copy this text, open VS Code and create a new file. Right click on test folder, new file, and then enter here login.spec.ts. Just enter this code here and save this file. You can change here test case name login page. Click on username field and we can remove this one. We can customize this code, remove this one and enter standard user in username field and then click on password field and enter this password in password field and then click on login button. And this is the assertion. After login successfully, add to cart button should be displayed in home page. Now run the test, right click here and format a comment, save this file. For running the test, enter command here npx playwright test login spec yes headed project benefits using this extension. records your actions and converts them into Playwright code automatically. It saves time and reduces error when writing test scripts. You can customize or reuse the generated code directly in your test file. It's great for beginners to learn Playwright syntax quickly. Here we need to enter URL before clicking on username field. We need to enter URL. So here, add URL await page dot go, open VS Code and enter URL here. Save this file and run it. Save this file and we need to click on enter for running the test. Test is running. In this scenario, first it will navigate to this URL, enter username, password, and then click on login button. As you can view here, login successfully and test passed successfully, one passed. So that's how you can use a CRX extension in Playwright to generate automation code easily and efficiently. This is one of the best ways to speed up your testing workflow and improve productivity. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to SK World for more Playwright tutorials and testing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.